She must have went and told you to have somebody try to go underneath to find it.
Yeah, it's getting being mean. Oh,
You like the monorail? Yeah. No. Wanna go on a monorail?
Good.
And enjoy the rest of your day at Hersheypark.
I heard that they have
minus the eyelashes.
Hello and welcome aboard the Hersheypark Monorail. Please watch your arms and legs as the doors will be closing automatically. While the ride is in motion, please remain seated, keeping your head and arms inside the vehicle. Thank you and enjoy the ride. All set? All clear, here we go.
Here we go, babe.
Hello, and welcome to the Hersheypark Monorail. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. For your safety, we ask that you remain seated, keep your head and hands inside the car during the entire ride, and refrain from smoking. Today we will travel 10 miles an hour, offering you panoramic views of Hersheypark.
I didn't know there were bumper cars. True. You can remember anything. That's cool. You can remember
Rolling coasters in the Hollow, including our oldest wooden coaster, Comet. The Hollow is also home to our first floating steel coaster, Super Duper Looper, and Sky Rush, a favorite. If you listen closely,
I guess that's one benefit of seeing. It's like sort of seeing on the inside.
the sound of this inverted coaster is presented by the unique track structure, indicative of this type of roller coaster. We're now entering Kissing Tower Hill, perched atop the highest point in Hersheypark. Here you will find Hershey Triple Tower, the first Choose Your Thrill Triple Tower in the United States. However, the focal point of this area is the 330-foot Kissing Tower. The cabin windows are shaped like our world-renowned Hershey's Kisses, first manufactured here in 1907. The place known for fun and chocolate is now even sweeter. Visit Hershey's Chocolate Town to experience our biggest coaster ever, Candymonia, and discover our dining experiences featuring unique Hershey's chocolate creations.
They got like crazy cars on the tracks.
Speaking of Hershey's products, explore the many wonders of chocolate at Hershey's Chocolate World, featuring the free Hershey's Chocolate Tour Ride and create your own candy bar attraction. Afterward, shop at Hershey's largest candy store for one-of-a-kind gifts and souvenirs. It's not only the chocolate and roller coasters that make Hershey sweet. Hersheypark supports Milton Hershey School in its mission of helping students lead happy, healthy, and fulfilling lives, just as our founder Milton S. Hershey intended. Learn more at mhskids.org. We are now passing the site of the original Hershey's Chocolate Factory, started by our founder, Milton Hershey, in 1905. Today, the Hershey Company is the leading North American manufacturer of quality chocolate and non-chocolate confections. Below us, you'll see Zoo America, a year-round 11-acre walk-through zoo, home to more than 200 animals from 5 regions of North America. The zoo began when Milton Hershey received prairie dogs as a gift. Zoo America is committed to the conservation of North American wildlife and habitats. Visit with one of our zoo educators to learn more about the variety of conservation initiatives we have established and implemented to ensure species survival and habitat maintenance. Entry is included in your one presentation. Enter Hersheypark and Zoo America. Up ahead is Pioneer Frontier, where coming this summer, you can take a flavor ride on our newly reimagined coaster, Jolly Rancher Remix, to experience 6 inversions, sweet tunes, and a ton of blasting with your favorite Jolly Rancher flavors. Then experience our newest family ride, Mixed, flavored by Jolly Rancher, a visual riddle that spins you 360 degrees and shifts into gear while mixing in lifts, drops, and never-before-seen views, while dodging the other riders. You will see Trailblazer and Dry Gulch Railroad, 2 rides perfect for the whole family to enjoy. Whether it's a refreshing time at the Boardwalk Water Park or an exciting day of coasters and rides, Hersheypark truly has something for everyone. Plus, Hersheypark is not just open for summer. Enjoy coasters, fun, and Hersheypark happy during Halloween and Christmas too, with Hersheypark in the Dark and Hersheypark Christmas Candy Lane.
Have a pretty downtown is some waterfront. I've been to
My idea is we stop by Panera and just get these soups and like a cheeseburger just to supplement, because I just don't think that's going to be enough for you. Then you're going to be like praised.
Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then exit towards the rear of the platform. Thank you for riding and enjoy the rest of your day at Hersheypark.
You can just see how the story is going to unfold. You're like, I never wanted to remain in the state. Yeah, it's time to go home now. Gotta get some dinner yet.
Welcome to the Monorail. Please watch your arms and legs. The doors will be closing automatically. As a friendly monorail, please remain seated while the ride is in motion. Keep your arms and legs out of the vehicle all times. Of course, sit back, relax, enjoy the ride on the monorail. All set. All clear this ride.